Hey guys, are you looking to boost your testosterone levels naturally? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 15 powerhouse foods that can help you elevate your testosterone and improve overall health. Let's dive in. First up, oysters. Packed with zinc, oysters are renowned for their testosterone-boosting properties. Just a few can make a big difference. Next, leafy greens like spinach. Spinach is rich in magnesium, essential for regulating testosterone levels. Add it to your salads or smoothies for a healthy boost. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are also fantastic. These fish are rich in vitamin D, crucial for hormone production. Plus, they're great for your heart. Don't skip the eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein, cholesterol, vitamin D, and omega-3s, all aiding in testosterone production. Have them for breakfast to kickstart your day. Almonds are another great option. Loaded with magnesium and zinc, almonds make a perfect snack to support testosterone levels. Beans, including kidney beans, black beans, and chickpeas, are excellent too. They're high in protein and zinc, making them a great addition to your meals. Lean beef is also a top contender. Rich in zinc and other essential nutrients, lean beef can support your testosterone and muscle growth. For the adventurous, wild game meat like venison, buffalo, and elk are amazing. These lean proteins are rich in zinc and nutrients that support testosterone. Dark chocolate, anyone? It contains flavonoids that may help increase testosterone levels. Just a small piece can be a healthy treat. Pomegranate juice has been shown to boost salivary testosterone and improve mood. A refreshing glass can be both tasty and beneficial. Ginger is also a powerhouse. It may help reduce cortisol levels, allowing for increased testosterone production. Add it to your tea or meals for a spicy twist. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats, supporting overall hormone production. Use it in your cooking or as a dressing for a nutritious boost. Legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, and peas, are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They support testosterone and are great for overall health. Nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds are high in magnesium and zinc. A handful a day can make a difference. Lastly, fatty nuts like walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. They support testosterone levels and overall health. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and adequate sleep, is key to optimal testosterone levels. Consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns about your testosterone. That's it for today. Start incorporating these foods into your diet and feel the difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.